Lights, camera, action! National Fuel presents the Market Arcade Film and Art Center 2004 Children's Film Series. This free 8-week series features popular children's films and other fun activities every Saturday morning at 10 o'clock from February 21st through April 9th at the Market Arcade Film and Art Center in downtown Buffalo. For more information, visit WNED.org. Special thanks to Buffalo Place, the Buffalo News, and WNED TV.
Programming on WNED is made possible by member support and by...
Discover, explore, imagine, and more at Strong Museum, the fun history place for kids of all ages. Step onto Sesame Street. Shop at our supermarket where kids run the store. Take a spin on our carousel. Enjoy a tasty meal in our 1950s diner or indulge at our old-fashioned soda fountain. For hours of hands-on family fun, come to Strong Museum. Just a short drive away in Rochester. Call for easy directions. Strong Museum. It's worth a trip from anywhere.
Our journey to earning is done.
I think I'll watch Sesame Street on WNED.